What's up, guys? Today we are going to put the new rims on the R32. So let me show you them right now. So that was it right now. I'll see you later. Peace. Hey guys, I'm done with the back wheel and I'm about to do the other 3 wheels. Okay, I'll show you when I'm done. Okay guys, we are all done with the wheels and I'm gonna take you guys for a walk around. In the next vlog. And in the next vlog, we are going to be taking this puppy for a spin.